Good morning.
Good morning. I am here for my citizenship interview.
Please show me your appointment letter and ID.
Yes, here you go.
Please sanitize your hands with a hand sanitizer.
Sure.
Do you have any symptoms of COVID-19 with cough, fever, or difficulty breathing?
No.
Good. Please remove your things and put everything on a belt. Then walk through the metal detector.
Yes, thank you.
Please get all of your things and take the elevator to the second floor. A customer representative shall assist you.
Thank you.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I am here for my naturalization interview.
Can I see your USCIS appointment letter and ID?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. I'll take your photo and fingerprints. Please look at the camera. Please put your right index finger on the scanner. Good. Here's your ID, letter and your number. Please have a seat. We'll call your number when we are ready.
Thank you.
Number P16. Please proceed to door 4.
Thank you.
Hi, I am Officer Smith. I am assigned to interview you today. Please leave your belongings on the table and raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can lower your hand now and have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. And you?
I am good. How's the weather outside?
It was raining this morning, but then the sun came out.
How did you get here today?
I drove myself.
Any questions for me before we start the interview?
Yes, I made some mistakes on the application and would like to update the answers.
That's fine. When we go through the application, let me know those mistakes and we will update them. Why do you want to become an American citizen?
I believe in the U.S. Constitution and I would like to vote.
Great. Are you eligible to become an American citizen?
I am over 18 years old and have been a green card for more than 6 years.
Can I see your passports, green card and any state-issued ID?
Yes, here they are.
What's your current legal name?
Helena Barella.
Have you used any other name?
Yes, Helena Ontos. That's my maiden name.
Okay. When did you change your name?
I changed my name when I got married in 2014.
Do you want to legally change your name for free today?
I would like to change my name back to my maiden name.
So, you would like Helena Antos on your certificate of citizenship?
Yes, that's great.
What is your social security number?
It's 412-56-2389.
When did you get your green card?
I got my green card on May 24, 2015.
Where were you born?
I was born in Poland.
Can you confirm your birthday, please?
Sorry, officer. This is my mistake on the application. My birthday is October 15, 1984. Not October 25, 1984.
Okay, thank you. Let me update that. Are you requesting for accommodations because of a disability?
No, officer.
Good. What's the best number to reach you?
914-530-5798.
Let's move on the next section. What's your current home address?
300 Gramerton Avenue, Mount Vernon, New York, 10552.
Do you still live at the same address since you've submitted your application?
Yes, officer.
Is that also your mailing address?
Yes.
Have you lived in any other addresses in the past 5 years?
Yes, I have. 327 Old Forge Hill Road, New Windsor, New York, 12553.
Are either of your parents U.S. citizens?
No, they are not.
Where do they live?
They live in Poland.
How tall are you?
5 feet and 3 inches.
What is your weight?
140 pounds.
How do you support yourself?
Do you mean if I have a job?
Yes.
I am a senior accountant.
Are you still working at TCV Company?
Yes, I am.
How long have you been working for this company?
Since June 2017.
Before that, you worked at NVC Company, correct?
Yes, correct.
On your application, it says you are going to school?
Yes, I am studying for my MBA.
And where is your school?
I am studying the online MBA program in New York University.
Good. Have you traveled outside of the United States during the past 5 years?
Yes, I have. I have taken 4 trips.
When was the last time you traveled outside the US?
In January 2019.
And where did you go?
I went to Poland.
What was the purpose of your trip?
Visited my parents and my relatives.
Did you stay outside the United States for more than 6 months?
No, officer.
What is your current marital status?
I am divorced.
When did you get divorced?
Since May last year.
I am sorry to hear that. Do you have your divorce decree with you?
Yes, here is my divorce decree.
Do you have to pay any child support?
No, I don't.
How many times have you been married?
Just once.
Can you show me your marriage certificate?
Yes, here it is.
What the name of your ex-husband?
Dorian Barella.
Is he an American citizen?
Yes, he was born in the U.S.
You have one son, is that correct?
Yes, correct.
What his name?
Samuel Barella.
And how old is he?
He is 4 years old.
And where does he live?
He lives with me during the weekdays, and my ex-husband during the weekends.
Where is that?
Jamestown, New York.
Is he an American citizen?
Yes, he was born in New York.
He is your biological children, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen in writing or any other way?
No.
Good. Have you registered to vote in the United States?
No, officer.
And why is that?
Because I am not a citizen yet.
Do you have any title of nobility, or hereditary title in a foreign country?
No.
What is hereditary title?
King, queen, prince, princess.
Have you ever been declared legally incompetent or been confined to a mental institution?
No.
Have you ever failed to file your taxes or owe any overdue federal, state or local taxes?
No, I haven't. I file my taxes every year.
Have you ever called yourself a non-U.S. resident on any tax return since you became a lawful permanent resident?
Excuse me, officer. Can you repeat that, please?
Have you ever called yourself a non-U.S. resident on any tax return since you became a lawful permanent resident?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, or in any way associated with the Communist Party, any other totalitarian party, a terrorist organization?
No, officer.
What is terrorist?
ISIS, Al-Qaeda, Al-Shabaab, Boko Haram.
Have you ever involved in any genocide, torture, or killing?
No.
Were you ever a member of a rebel group or militia?
No, officer.
Have you ever persecuted any person because of race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No.
Have you ever been involved in any way with not letting someone practice their religion?
No.
Have you ever been involved in any way with forcing, or trying to force, someone to have any kind of sexual contact or relations?
No.
Were you ever a part of any group, unit or organization that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so?
No.
Did you ever recruit, enlist, conscript or use any person under 15 years of age to serve in or help an armed force or group?
No.
Have you ever committed a crime, for which you have not been arrested?
No.
Have you ever arrested, cited, or detained by any law officer for any reason?
No.
Have you ever been charged with committing, attempting to commit, or assisting in committing any crime or offense?
No.
Have you ever been placed in an alternative sentencing or a rehabilitative program?
No.
Have you ever received a suspended sentence, been placed on probation, or been paroled?
No.
Have you ever drank too much alcohol every day?
No.
Did you ever lie to the government to get food stamps or other help?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a prostitute, or procured anyone for prostitution?
No.
What is prostitute?
People pay you for sex.
Have you ever sold or smuggled controlled substances, illegal drugs, or narcotics?
No.
Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No.
Have you ever been removed, excluded or deported from the United States?
No, never.
Are removal, exclusion, rescission or deportation proceedings currently pending against you?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government in the United States?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I am willing to take the oath.
Good. If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I am.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes, I am.
And perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I am.
Great. Is there anything else you need to be updated?
No, there isn't.
Good. Take a look at the application and make sure everything is correct. If it is correct, please sign and date here.
Everything looks good.
Perfect. Let's move on to the next part of the interview. Let's do the civics test. Have you studied?
Yes, I have studied since I completed my biometrics appointment.
The House of Representatives has how many voting members?
435.
Good. In what month do we vote for president?
November.
Correct. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens?
Vote in a federal election.
Good. Name one American Indian tribe in the United States.
Cherokee.
That's right. What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
Correct. What did the Declaration of Independence do?
Announced our independence from Great Britain.
Good. You passed the civics test. Let's do the English reading and writing test. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Please read the sentence on the tablet in front of you.
When is Memorial Day?
Correct. Now, I am going to read a sentence to you, and I need you to write it down on the tablet. Memorial Day is in May. Memorial Day is in May. Great. You passed this portion too. You've passed all of the tests and met all of the requirements. I'm recommending your application for approval. Here's a copy of your test results.
Thank you very much, officer.
You will be sent a notice in the mail for your oath ceremony within 1 or 2 weeks. Do you have any questions?
No.
I will walk you back to the waiting area.